We are here.
First sets ever constructed for the film.
It's breathing. Ew. Stop. We are here, finally.
So now, come and see for yourselves the world of movie magic that was our home for 10 years.
My name is Matthew and it's my pleasure to welcome you all here today. But what are you doing down there? Come on up and join me here. Welcome, top of course, with gentle approach, okay?
So this is of course the night bus made famous from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, and you probably recognise it because it's just a red double-decker.
Hagrid's motorbike. Ron's car. Butterbeer latte, butterbeer, burger, Cubs burger. Butterbeer review. Really? First time having butterbeer, I did not love. She was not my favorite.
You have a little bit of whipped cream like right there too.
We need to go. We're literally so late.
Hi. Halfway through your tour, I need to make sure you get to the next bit by 9.
Okay.
Yes, yes, sorry.
Not us being the last people in the cafeteria out of literally everybody here. That's so embarrassing. She came over when I was doing my butterbeer review, but I did not like it. I couldn't figure out what it was, and that really bothered me.
Better in the park,
yeah,
in my opinion.
Apparently it's better at Universal, so I'll have to try it there eventually. But apparently we have an hour left, and it's literally an hour until closing. So yeah, gotta rush. Ooh, I can wash out my butterbeer right here. I'm keeping her. Ooh. So scary. It's breathing. Ew. Stop. Ew, that's so gross. Dude, that scene gave me so much anxiety.
I know.
I was like, stop touching stuff.
I just feel like
That's so cool. Literally entirely.